Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. Today we are looking at a Max Olympiad problem. So it is given determine all real numbers that satisfy ABC plus AB plus BC plus CA plus A plus B plus C1, BCD plus BC plus CD plus DB plus B plus C plus D equal to 9, CDA plus CD plus DA plus AC plus C plus D plus A equal to 9, DAB plus DA plus AB plus DB plus D plus A plus B is equal to 9. Here, as we are going to solve this problem, before starting, pause the video and try it. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. Thank you. Okay, how to solve this problem? So here, this is one nice problem. So here, what is the logic is ABC plus AB plus BC plus CA plus A plus B plus C. Adding 1, subtracting 1, or you can say adding 1 on both sides. So here, taking common, here you take C common in these two. So AB of C plus 1, okay, plus AB of C plus 1 plus or in this take AB common, AB of C plus 1, here B common, so B common means here B of C plus 1, here A common plus A of C plus 1 plus C plus 1, taking 1 to that side, you will get 2, adding 1 and subtracting 1 now. So here what will get, C plus 1 is common, so here AB plus B plus A plus 1 you will get is equal to 2. So C plus 1, here you can take B common, A plus 1 plus 1 into A plus 1 is equal to 2. So A plus 1 into B plus 1 into C plus 1 is equal to 2. So similarly, here B plus 1, similarly you can write B plus 1 plus C plus 1 plus D plus 1 is equal to 10, adding 1 on both sides. So next one, C plus 1, D plus 1 and A plus 1 is equal to 10. Next one, D plus 1, D plus 1 into A plus 1 into B plus 1 is equal to 10. So after getting this, so let us take A plus 1 is equal to X, B plus 1 is equal to Y, C plus 1 is equal to Z, D plus 1 is equal to U. So first one you will get X, Y, Z is equal to 2. Second one, Y, Z, U is equal to Z, U, X is equal to U, X, Y is equal to 10. So from this you can write U is equal to 10 by yz is equal to 10 by zx is equal to 10 by xy. So from this you can write 1 by yz 1 by yz is equal to 1 by zx equal to 1 by xy. So multiplying with xyz, here we will get x, here we will get y, here we will get z. Therefore, x is equal to y is equal to z. So if x is equal to y is equal to z, means 1 by a, 1 plus a is equal to 1 plus b is equal to 1 plus c. So if you substitute in this first equation 2, in the first equation 2, so here I am taking 1 plus a whole cube, 1 plus a whole cube is equal to 2, 1 plus a equal to cube root of 2, a is equal to cube root of 2 minus 1. So this is nothing but a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to cube root of 2 minus 1 now. Now, if you substitute these values in fourth one now, so what is fourth one now? D plus 1, A plus 1, B plus 1 is equal to 10 now. So if you substitute here, so D plus 1 into cube root of 2 cube root of 2 into cube root of 2 is equal to 10. So d plus 1 is equal to 10 by cube root of 4. So if you rationalize this cube root of 4, here cube root of 4 square will get. Cube root of 4 square, this is 10 into cube root of 16 by 4. So here we'll get 10 into cube root of 8 into cube root of 2 by 4. So here it will go 5 times, here it will go 2 times. So 5 into cube root of 8 is 2 into cube root of 2 by 2. So 2 get cancelled. So cube root of here 125, 250 will get. So d plus 1 is equal to cube root of 250. D is equal to cube root of 250 minus 1. So A equal to B equal to C equal to cube root of 2 minus 1, whereas D is equal to cube root of 250 minus 1. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.